Good day. So, as what I have learned sa school head and in school-based management is that ang DepEd Central Office is that they have given the authority to the school head or kanang principal to have that decision making for the school mismo. And then ang school-based management or the school is dili lang siya basta-basta na ma-follow sa orders pod gikan sa pinakataas or the head sa DepEd because mismo ang school head o kanang along with the stakeholders or the teachers, the parents and the community kay they can also decide kung unsay mas best para sa school. And with this, mas paspas ang decision making kay because magtinabagay man sila and then mas angay mas kabalo sila kung unsay angay na tinuod nga needs sa mga learners because they are there from the actual situation and then they can also able to be responsible sa school kung unsa man ang outcomes because of their decisions. And for the main arguments of this is that the first one is decentralization of authority kanang ang naimbis DepEd ang DepEd Central Office ang kanang naay power na to decide kung unsay kanang best for the students pero gitransfer ni siya sa school level or sa principal because because the mga principal manggod kay they know kung unsay situation sa areas na ginahandela nila. Like for example, if kanang they know na-assign sila sa far-flung area, so they know they can able to decide na ay mag kanang alternate classes because kay ganito ang problem, hindi makako ng mga bata pumukulan ana-ana. So pwede siya maka-decide dayon para sa best for the learners. And then for second one is kanang they have the strong role of the school head ng kanang ang mga leader sa school like yung mga principal nga is they can mag-guide sa school sa whole school system. Like for example, if naay problema ang school nga about sa grades or kanang pwede dayon magpatawag og meeting para ma-address dayon tong problem. Kay kung pag mangayo pa og kanang guidance sa pinakataas or sa central office kay madugayan pa ni siya and then basin dili na pud ma-address dayon. And then for third one is kanang meron ng naanay participation for the stakeholders like ang teachers, parents and community. Pwede na sila they can able also to decide og appeal para sa plano sa eskwelahan para mulambo pang eskwelahan. And like for example, if ang principal ay mag-suggest siya og magpatayo ng building, so magngay siya kanang meeting for kanang what is their recommendations or suggestions na kanang nice og kanang applicable sa mga students para mas mo grow pa ang students and ma-help sila na to have that deep learning. So and also ang community pwede sila makatabang as like mohatag sila assistance or materials to have that build of the project. And also sa accountability and responsibility of the leaders like kung maka-decide sila and ma-responsible sila kung unsa may ang results sa ilahang mga decisions. Like for example, ang school head naman na mag-decide kung unsay magamiton ng mga strategies for school. So they can kung unsa man ang result sa grades sa mga students, so they are responsible and accountable for that because sila naman ang decide and and with that they can able to train the teachers there and also to improve their performance. And with that ang eskwelahan kung ang school mismo or ang school head mismo ang mo decide ug mo manage kay mas kabalo sila sa tinuod nga needs sa students and mas ma-identify and ma-address dayon. So that's all.